My name's Shaun.
And I'm Craig.
And we are Original Flava.
And we show people how to make Caribbean food in 1 minute, easy videos online. It's all about, just feeling it rather than, getting it perfect. Looking at the recipe, does it look good, doesn't it look good? So I think that natural feeling of being brothers and cooking together coincides with the natural feeling of great tasting food.
Really important to fuse different cultures together. We believe that food brings people together, so
that's right. Perfect.
The fusion is just perfect to our brand and the Jamaican heritage as well. Yeah, the colourful pots.
Colourful pots, man.
Perfect.
Beautiful.
What we stand for, vibrancy, and that's what we're all about in the kitchen.
It's all about that. In Caribbean culture, we use like Dutch pots, cast iron pots.
Yeah.
So we've used it for like 30, 40 years, the same pots.
Absolutely, the same pots that grandma gave us.
It makes the food even tastier.
It does.
And that's the great thing about the cruise.
When we first saw the tougher non-stick grill, we were like, wow, we can't wait to use that.